The cervix acts a little bit like the bouncer that hangs out in front of the club and doesn't let everybody inside. Hi, my name is Dr. Tanya. You probably know me better as Dr. Cutress. I'm here to answer all of your questions that you didn't know who to ask about sexual and reproductive health. Two women living together, periods sync up, start going mad at the same time. This is called the McClintock effect, and it's been scientifically disproven. Your periods don't sync up. What happens is that when you're having your period, there has to be an overlap. Your periods come, another person's periods come, and over time, because of the convergence and divergence, there is a little bit of an overlap, and that's what we mistakenly think is menstrual synchronicity. But that's bullshit. So many gynecologists come and tell me that, oh my god, beta, what are you doing? Nobody's going to marry you in the future. Why are you talking about sex on the internet? Let's not kid ourselves and think that there's no patriarchy or there's no stigma around these things. There is, and it's even more prevalent in the medical institutions. Our textbooks are full of very judgmental words. When we talk about cervical cancer, we're told that one of the risk factors for cervical cancer is promiscuous women, which basically means that if you have a lot of sex, you're going to have cervical cancer. Very conveniently forgetting to mention that if the partner uses condoms, the risk is not there as much as it is without any protection. And this is basically why we get such judgy anti-gynecologists, unfortunately. The cervix acts a little bit like the bouncer that hangs out in front of the club and doesn't let everybody inside. The cervix does the same thing and it doesn't let anything inside the uterus. इसके लिए हमें हमारे अंदर के organs को समझना जरूरी है. हमारे अंदर का organ जो होता है वो ये होता है. वजाइना के आखिर में एक दरवाजा सा लगा होता है, यूट्रस के नीचे पे और वजाइना के ऊपर पे. इस दरवाजे को हम अंग्रेजी में बोलते हैं सर्विक्स. तो जैसे कि अगर ये टैम्पॉन हो और मैंने इसको ऐसे अंदर डाला हो तो देखिए ये अपने आप ही रुक जा रहा है यहाँ पे सर्विक्स की वजह से. If you do decide to shove about 15 Hot Wheels cars in there, you're going to be able to retrieve them later. It's going to be fine. The point of concern here is something called the hymen, which everybody is afraid of breaking. But the hymen is actually like a scrunchie at the front of the vagina. So there's already a hole in the hymen. That hole can be moved around a little bit when you're having sex, if you're inserting something, if you're putting in a menstrual cup, a tampon. It's not entirely possible to know if there's anything that's gone in, but if your doctor does try to suspect, you can just tell them you've used a tampon and that will shut them up forever. Have you ever heard about a penis owner complaining about how the way their penis smells? No. Intimate bits have a natural smell. If there is obviously a bad smell, then you can go to the doctor and get it checked out. Please don't spray perfume down there. That's going to interfere with the pH and cause you problems. Vaginal discharge, or what we actually call vaginal fluid, is perfectly normal and perfectly healthy. Whenever you're cleaning your house and you do jhadu pocha, you throw the mop water out. You don't store it in your house forever. And that's exactly what the vagina does. It's throwing out the mop water, which comes out as vaginal fluid, and a lot of people freak out about it, which is perfectly normal. This is also something that happens when you're close to menopause, which is called perimenopause. And that's because your body, the normal hormones it secretes, start not coming out as often. And because of that, there can be changes in the body where, of course, you lose interest in sex. If you do want to bring back the sort of spice in your life of sexual enthusiasm, you can speak to your doctor who can, suggest some medication, some lubricants and things like that that can help. But yes, this is very much a part and parcel of what menopause is, unfortunately. I hope that answered most of your questions you were too afraid to ask your doctor. If you like this video, make sure to like, share, subscribe to Tweak India.